In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set channel topics on Slack. Whether you're a seasoned Slack user or someone just getting started, this guide will help you navigate through setting channel topics with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Slack website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in Slack's URL, or simply search for Slack to get directed there. Once the page loads, you'll notice a Sign In button prominently positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Here you'll see several sign-in options. For today, we're going to use Google for a quick and streamlined process. Click on the Google button to proceed. When prompted, sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that's linked to your Slack workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Slack homepage. From here, you'll see a list of your channels on the left-hand side. To proceed, right-click on the channel for which you want to set or update the topic. A small menu will pop up with various options. In this menu, you'll need to find and click on View Channel Details. Doing so will open up a new panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is your key to customizing and managing specific details about the channel, including the topic. Within this right-hand panel, you'll see an option labeled Topic. Click on this section and it will bring up a text box. This is where the magic happens. Now, think about the gist of your channel and what you want peers to know instantly about the purpose of this space. Go ahead and type in your desired topic. Keep it concise yet informative. This helps set expectations for anyone who joins or interacts in the channel. Remember, changes to the channel topic will be visible to all members, so make sure it reflects the current focus of your discussions or projects. After entering the topic, you'll notice a Save button likely at the bottom of this panel. Once your topic entry meets your satisfaction, simply click on Save to lock in your changes. Your new channel topic is now set, ensuring all participants are aligned on the channel's intent and purpose. And there you have it. You've successfully set a channel topic on Slack. This seemingly small action can greatly enhance clarity and communication within your teams. It's such a simple yet powerful tool to keep everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy your Slack experience.